Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will begin a new playlist about AutoCAD commands, and the first tutorial will be about command line. First, we will begin with the free line without a specific lens. To use command line, just press L+ENTER, choose the first point and begin your line, then press anywhere to choose the next point and do the same steps to draw your free line easily. To end the command, just press escape. Now we will draw another free line with a specific angle 90 degrees. Press L+ENTER, then we will use ortho mode. This mode makes us draw in the horizontal and vertical dimension only. You can also activate ortho mode by pressing F8 and press the same icon to deactivate it. To end the command, just press escape. After that, we will draw a line with a specific angle and length. Press L+ENTER, choose the first point, activate ortho mode, and write your first length, then second and third length. Now deactivate ortho mode and insert your specific angle by pressing Shift and angle icon in keyboard and angle you want, and press Enter. You will find your line move in the angle dimension only. Then insert the line length and press Enter. After that, we will draw another line with the same previous steps. First, insert your specific angle by pressing Shift, angle icon, and your angle, and press Enter. Then insert the line length and press Enter. We will activate the ortho mode again and insert a specific length of 2000, other line with 500 length, and another one with 200 length, and press escape to end the command. At the end of our tutorial, we can say that we learn more about the command line, and we need to make sure our learners understand the lesson, so don't forget to draw this exercise and let us see it. See you soon with a new tutorial in AutoCAD. Don't forget to share our video and subscribe our channel.